Welcome back to FasTrax Cars. Robbie, tell me a little bit about your charity.
So Horsepower for Hope has been putting to help cancer families, and when they get to the hospital, and for the family part of it.
Yeah.
So there's a whole bunch of people that register, and then what we do is we try to raise money for kids. They give us kids to raise money for.
Yeah.
That have cancer or some kind of medical condition there. So.
Absolutely. Yeah. And you do rallies with it, or do you?
Yeah, they do July 5th. They do at the Expo Center. The police will set up a track, and then they'll have all the cancer families come down and like a little carnival for them. Yeah. And then they can go look at the cars and everybody that's supporting them. So
that's fantastic. And you've been doing it for how long?
Be about three years, I think.
3 years now. And how much money have you raised for the cancer?
Well, they've I think last year it was like $547,000.
Wow.
And each year they started out lower, and then it just kept getting higher and higher. So
well, that's fantastic.
Yeah, there's a lot of support out there for it, and it goes to the families that, the families get to the hospital and then they don't know what to do. And that's where this helps.
Absolutely. And adults get cancer. We do. Most people are going to end up with it at some point, but there's nothing worse than a child suffering.
Yeah, they just get born and then you find out you have something.
And they've always got such a good spirit toward it. I've seen kids. I've been to a lot of rallies. I mean, the Pinnacle rally does that as well. And the kids have such a good spirit. They're so good about it. They're not self-pitying in any way, shape, or form. They just go through it, which is amazing. But yeah, kids, thank you for doing that. I really appreciate you taking on the cause.
So just some of the stuff it's kind of nice. Kids. We have like kids cruiser, so we give them rides. Yeah. 1 year we took some to the Telus field for a baseball game. So they got to ride in the cars they want, and they picked them. Yeah. And then we take the kids there, and families meet us there.
That's fantastic. And it happens every year when?
It's around July. Yeah.
And it's posted. People can look it up online and find it, and you go there.
There's always links to donate and everything. You can find mine in there, and it has who I'm donating to. So.
Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to get the link to the website so you can all look at that. Please go in, donate. It's a fantastic cause. We need to support. We need to help the children. So let's get in there and give what we can. Thank you so much for letting me know about that.
Yep. Thanks.
If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live.